So you can now withdraw your Catizen to your exchange, either Binance, Bybit, Gateio, KuCoin, or whatsoever exchange of your choice. The withdrawal have started. So even if you are using Tonkeeper wallet, you can now withdraw. So you come to the airdrop section here. So when you come to the airdrop section, you will see the airdrop you already gotten. So here, so now if you look down, you will see claim. You can claim it or you stack it here. So but if you want to withdraw it or deposit into an exchange, you click on deposit to exchanges. So when you click, then you have these following options. You have Binance, OKX, Bybit, Bitget, Gateio, KuCoin, MXC, HK, then non-custodian. This non-custodian, they are wallets like Tonkeeper wallet or my Ton wallet, as the case may be. So this video is focusing on Binance, Bybit, then possibly Bitget, Gate.io. So now for you to withdraw to Binance, you are going to select Binance, then you click on continue. Then here on your Binance, you are going to copy the UID address, then the memo. So if you already have a Binance account, so we are going to go to our Binance wallet now. So these are Binance accounts. So for you to copy your UID, you come here at the edge here. So when you come, then you see it here. You can see this is our UID. So you are going to copy it, then you paste it here. So you are going to copy, then you paste it here. You get then. So let's copy our wallet address. For you to copy your wallet address, you are going to come to wallet here. So when you come to wallet, you click on deposit. So from deposit, you are going to search for Catizen, C-A-T-I. So you're going to search. So this is it. So then you select network. It says choose network. So it's turn network. So when it's open, then here is the wallet address. Then this is the Catizen memo. So you are going to copy the first one, wallet address. Then when you come here, you are going to paste it. Then you come to memo, you copy, then you paste. So when you are done, you click on what? Send. You get that. So that's how to go about with Binance. Now for those of you using Bybit, so briefly this is how to go about Bybit. So you come to the Bybit section, then you click on continue. So when you click on continue, also you are going to copy your UID address, then your memo. So it's just the same or similar process. So you come to your Bybit account. So when you come to your Bybit account, then you come here. You come to this section. So when you click, so you are going to see your UID. So you copy, then you paste it at the UID section. So when you are done with that, then you come to the home page, then you click on deposit. So when you click on deposit, you go to deposit crypto. Then from deposit crypto, you are going to search. You search here for Cati, C-A-T-I. Then you see it down here. So when you select, then you select is a choose chain type, turn. Then from here, you see your wallet address. Then this is memo. So you copy it, then you go to your Catizen account to paste it there. So this is where you paste your Bybit UID address, the memo. You get that. Then let's look at Gate.io. So when you come to your Gate.io, you come here. So when you come here, from here you click here. Then you are going to see your UID here. You get that. So when you are done copying it, you come to deposit. You come to look at deposit at the top. This is deposit. So when you come to deposit, you come to on-chain deposit. So from on-chain deposit, you are going to search for CATI. You can see the first option here. Then you select. So here is giving us a deposit notification. You read it. Then network, you choose turn, open network, turn network. So then here is our deposit address and memo. So the same thing is also applicable when you are using Bitget. Bitget rather. So if you want to use Bitget, you come here, you click on Bitget, then click on continue. Here, what you need is your UID, then address. So for you to use Bitget, you have to go to Bitget wallet.